Okay, the idea is this goes in there. This should go here, I think this way, I'm not sure. Anyway, something like this, and then this here should go in there like that. So it's hard to get in there, so I don't know how to file it down or what. Okay, this one has a little bit of a, this is flat here, basically. This is up from there, so this goes at the bottom, that goes like that. Get that into there is a little bit difficult. I think I snapped it, I'm not sure. Okay, it's worked. It's worked, so that's how it should be. Alright, at least that's worked. I should go like that. Each one of these will go into there. I'm going to do that off camera, it's a bit difficult. Okay, it wasn't as difficult as I thought, but it's fiddly. I just got to put the third one on this side and hook it onto there. Okay, I got the third one on there. I'll put a washer on this side first before this goes down. Hi guys, so I was so impressed with this engine. The way the design is marvelous. Now this one is held on by these clips here, and they really hold on good. I did print it 100% fill because I didn't want it to break. That holds on really well indeed. The way this is designed is that each one is blown one at a time, and it pushes the rod. So I was building this one first. I printed all the parts, then I came across this one. The reason I changed to this one is because I don't have to put no nuts and bolts in, just clips on. Whereas this one will have nuts and bolts in. I will have to build this anyway. The design of it, what impresses me is how this is, for argument's sake. The air goes in there into the balloon department, and this goes in there into the balloon. So the balloon goes on, this goes on, into there, out there, and that blows it. And then this is the amazing part here, where you got the three holes there which come out to each individual one, and you got this part here which spins around, and as it spins it pushes the air through one, then another, and another as it spins around. Hence you got the spinning motion there. And then also so yeah, air goes in there, through there, into here like this. What an amazing design indeed. I really love this design. I'm not sure what this was for, but guys, there are a few things that are supposed to help you put it together, but I'm not exactly sure what this is for, I'll be honest with you. There's no mention of it. I will build this one because it's got gears in, and then it goes on with a car. I have bought the STL files from him for the car. So I will print that and build this. So yes, very amazing design. This, I love it indeed. It's a beautiful little engine there, and it works really well for me because this one worked more or less the first time, and I didn't have to mess about too much with it. I was really impressed. I do believe I have to adjust these balloon parts, glove things here, a bit more in order to make it more freer than that. You saw me blow through there, and it works. It works really nice. But this works one way and not the other way. It doesn't go the other way. It works that way. So thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe. Oh yeah, before I go, look at this. You know, you think that when I printed this, I thought, oh, there must be another half because it's just flat here. But the design is just that, just one. And the idea is for these three to work. It's really, really impressive indeed. So yeah. Lots of things I can find here. Lots of things are really good. Subscribe, thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.